Hi all, I'm Sierra Rose with Essentially Elevated, coming to you here from Golden, Colorado, outside of Denver. Welcome to my bathroom. I have a handful of tips that I just want to share with you about my beauty and bath routine. Pretty basic and affordable, great way to start getting to know the oils and how you can use them to replace things in the bath and different beauty products and solutions. And we're centering it around the Melaleuca Touch, which is one of my all-time favorites. I always make sure I have these on hand, and it's something that I use every day. And I'll tell you why. So that's coming up. Let's get started. A few basic things that I want to talk about is like body and face. Pretty simple. It's going to be a short video. I like short videos. What I use for in the shower as like body wash is I love our bars, and I switch between using doTERRA bath bars or doTERRA body wash. I've recently started using doTERRA body wash and I love it. I personally have really sensitive skin. I used to have eczema, and every now and then I'll have flare-ups, so I can't do body wash with like chemicals in it. It just really irritates my skin. It feels like it's like electrocuted. So I love our bath bar and our body wash. It smells amazing. It lathers up really nicely. A little bit goes a really long way. So this is a 8.5 ounce bottle, but it lasts forever. And there's all sorts of great. There's, let's see, grapefruit, cedarwood, bergamot, and it's amazing. So I've been using that in the shower along with facial cleanser in the shower. So I use this, which is really pepperminty. It's peppermint and melaleuca. It's just your typical facial cleanser. I use that in the shower as well. And then a couple times a week I'll also use our exfoliating scrub, which is a smaller version of this, and that has grapefruit in it. And it's more of a body scrub type, so that just kind of helps, it exfoliates like the dead skin off of your face. I do that a couple times a week. Don't have one to show you because I need some more of it, so that's perfect that it's a new month and I can get some more. So yeah, the facial cleanser, peppermint and melaleuca, the exfoliator that has grapefruit in it, the bath bar, the body wash, that's all in the shower. Another thing I do in the shower is I oil pull, which is basically just swishing coconut oil in your mouth for 10 to 20 minutes, no more than 20. And coconut oil is it's like a natural detoxifier, so it attracts the toxins in your mouth, and then you spit the oil out. Don't swallow. Don't spit it out in a drain either. Just spit it out in the trash can. And yeah, oil pulling has many, many benefits. It's amazing. I literally just take straight up coconut oil, not the fractionated stuff, but actually coconut oil, and just a little bit on my hand and put it in my mouth, start swishing, it'll liquefy. And to sit there and oil pull for 10 to 20 minutes is really boring and not fun. So I just do that in the shower while I'm doing my other stuff anyway. So that's nice. And what I like to do is I melt, you don't have to get the benefits, but you just get extra benefits if you melt the coconut oil and then put drops of clove, our lovely clove oil, which is amazing for mouth health, gum health. That's an amazing benefit, is clove oil or peppermint oil I put in here too if you want it to be a little minty, or mix them together. So that's my shower routine. What I do after is I get out of the shower and I brush my teeth, because you want to brush your teeth after you oil pull, not before. And I use our On Guard toothpaste, which also has clove in it, and it's just been amazing. So I really was skeptical about our toothpaste because that was just me. And I could have sworn I had like 2 cavities back here. I'm really bad at committing to dentist appointments. And I could just tell, like, whenever I would have something sweet, I just felt like I had a hole in my tooth. And I'm pretty sure this is the reason why I don't have that feeling anymore, even when I have honey. Like, I don't feel the honey in my teeth anymore. So this is amazing. Get our toothpaste, try it. It's awesome. Oh, another thing I always use is our deodorant. I love our deodorant. It doesn't block your pores, and it's got cypress, melaleuca, bergamot, and cedarwood in it, so it smells good and not overpowering, which is really nice. And it's just all natural. So I'm all about that. So I love that we have that as an option as our deodorant. So put on my deodorant. Let's see. And then after I brush my teeth and put on my deodorant, I put my personal, I make a little concoction of moisturizer to put on my face. And that's just so that doesn't get all dried out. And I like really simplified stuff. So I'm not really like a 4-step person. I'm not going to step 1, wash, step 2, tone, step 3. I'm just not like that. It doesn't work for me. I'm too busy for that personally. So instead, this works for me. Another little jar of straight up coconut oil, melt it, and I put drops of cedarwood. These are all like really good for your skin and glowing skin and blemishes. Cedarwood, grapefruit, and copaiba. All in a little jar of glass melted coconut oil. It will solidify again, but you just rub it in your hands. Put it on my face. Don't put too much on. Let it kind of soak in, and then it won't be oily. And that's my moisturizer. And then what I do for my nails, you can either do this straight up naked nails, or you can put this in your nail polish, is I put melaleuca, tea tree oil, on, like I put it either on my finger or on a Q-tip, and I put on my nails and on my toenails. Or you could put drops in your nail polish if you're wearing nail polish that week or whatever. That's really nice. Another thing I love using is this Correct X ointment. It is an ointment of frankincense, cedarwood, melaleuca, lavender, and helichrysum. Don't know how to say that, but it's also a really good oil for your... Actually, I think that's backwards, so that's useless to you. But I love this Correct X. It's basically an essential oil ointment to replace Neosporin. I think it works way better than Neosporin. Like, I especially use this for dry skin, any of my eczema little mini breakouts, or like if I had a runny nose or cold, or for whatever reason my face is dry around here, I put this on my dry spots and it's amazing. So it's great for like safety or to have in your first aid kit or something, but it's also one of my go-to beauty bathroom staples. At night, what I do on my face is I put our Melaleuca roller onto the blemishes on my face. So I'm currently not wearing any makeup, so I can show you what I like, just what I would do for this. So like something up here, see that? Just roll this on. Something right here, I would roll that on. Usually something going on here. Roll that, roll it. Do that. Even like here, I saw something, yeah, right there. Put this guy on that. And I do all of that before I go to bed. That way it has all night to work its magic. This was one of the first things when I first started getting introduced to doTERRA essential oils that I magically fell in love with, and I've had this as a staple, using it every day since. This, see how red this is? Tomorrow, it won't be red. It'll either not be red and be gone, or at least just not be red. Like, it just totally clears up any blemishes. And I also have like some big pores on my nose. Like when I put it on my nose and then wake up the next morning, it just feels, it looks smooth. Like it's just done. So that's amazing. Really important thing about that, real quick, is Melaleuca, if you have sensitive skin like I do, it will irritate your skin. So it's really important, learn this the hard way in the very beginning, to dilute it, which is why I love getting our Melaleuca rollers that are pre-diluted, and this seems to be the perfect dilution for me and my face, for putting it on my face. It doesn't irritate it and make it more red because it's irritated, you know. I tried like diluting it myself when I first started because I learned the hard way that putting it on straight irritates it more. And then I don't know, I tried this and I love it. I don't quite know the dilution, like what exactly drops in coconut oil, but it works for me and it's perfect dilution to put on your face to make it go away versus irritating it more. Also, of course, it's well diluted, safe for children. Those are my go-to Bath & Beauty staples. This was a lot longer than I thought it would be, so lesson learned, and hopefully you learned something too. This product, if you don't have a wholesale account, it's $16, so it's a really good value. If you don't have a wholesale account, please comment below. There's absolutely no reason why you should be paying 25% more than we're all paying. It's not a monthly thing. It can be a monthly thing if you set it up that way, but you don't have to. You can not order for months. You can order every month and get your basics like I do, but there's no commitment, scary thing at all. Sorry if I'm missing something. If you have any questions, comment below. And if you want to get set up with your LRP, make sure it's 125. If you want to get set up with your wholesale account, let's do that. Okay, talk to you later. Good luck. Happy oiling.